Best graphics cards deliver smoother gaming, faster rendering, improved AI performance, and exceptional multitasking for creators and power users. My today's video is about top 5 best graphics cards review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card. Powered by the impressive Radeon RX 9070 XT, this graphics card delivers exceptional gaming and creative performance for demanding users. It handles modern AAA titles with smooth frame rates, sharp visuals, and reliable stability, making it ideal for high-resolution gaming and intensive workloads. The advanced WindForce cooling system keeps temperatures under control even during extended sessions, while the Hawk fan design improves airflow and reduces noise for a quieter experience. One standout feature is the server-grade thermal conductive gel, which enhances heat transfer efficiency and ensures long-term durability under heavy performance loads. Whether gaming, streaming, or rendering, the card maintains consistent power without overheating concerns. The addition of customizable RGB lighting gives the GPU a premium aesthetic, allowing users to match their setup style effortlessly. Overall, this graphics card combines strong cooling, powerful performance, and eye-catching design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking reliability and next-level visuals. Now our second product is Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card. This high-performance graphics card is built for gamers, creators, and AI enthusiasts who demand cutting-edge power and efficiency. Delivering an impressive 767 AI TOPS, it excels in AI-driven workloads, advanced rendering, and next-generation gaming experiences. Powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and enhanced with DLSS 4 technology, the card provides stunning visuals, smoother frame rates, and improved real-time ray tracing performance for modern AAA titles. With OC mode boosting speeds up to 2632 MHz, users can expect responsive gameplay and fast multitasking performance even during demanding applications. Despite its powerful hardware, the SFF-ready enthusiast GeForce design makes it suitable for compact PC builds without sacrificing cooling or stability. The advanced Axial Tech fan design uses a smaller fan hub with longer blades and a barrier ring to increase downward air pressure, resulting in efficient airflow, lower temperatures, and quieter operation. Overall, this GPU offers exceptional performance, intelligent cooling, and premium next-generation technology in a compact design. Our third product is ASRock Radeon RX 9060 graphics card. The AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT delivers an outstanding balance of performance, efficiency, and next-generation technology for modern gamers and creators. Built on the advanced RDNA4 architecture, this GPU features 32 compute units with 3rd-gen ray tracing and 2nd-gen AI accelerators, producing realistic lighting, smoother gameplay, and enhanced AI-powered performance in demanding titles. Its massive 16GB GDDR6 memory running at 20 gigabits per second ensures excellent performance for 1440p gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads without memory limitations. Factory overclocking pushes the boost clock up to an impressive 3290 MHz, providing strong frame rates and responsive gameplay right out of the box. PCIe 5.0 support also guarantees compatibility with the latest high-performance systems for future-ready upgrades. Cooling performance is equally impressive thanks to the advanced dual fan design with striped axial fans and 0 dB silent cooling technology, allowing silent operation during lighter tasks. Overall, this graphics card combines power, efficiency, and quiet performance in a highly capable package. Now number 4, AXFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. Powered by the AMD RX 9070 XT chipset, this graphics card delivers impressive performance for gamers and creators seeking smooth gameplay and reliable power. Equipped with 16GB of high-speed GDDR6 memory, it easily handles modern AAA games, high-resolution textures, streaming, and demanding creative workloads without performance bottlenecks. The card performs exceptionally well at 1440p and even handles 4K gaming with strong frame rates and excellent visual quality. One of its biggest strengths is the XFX SWFT triple fan cooling solution, which provides efficient airflow and keeps temperatures under control during long gaming sessions. The triple fan setup also helps maintain quieter operation while maximizing thermal performance. With boost clock speeds reaching up to 2970 MHz, users can expect fast responsiveness, smoother gameplay, and stable overclocked performance right out of the box. Overall, this GPU combines strong cooling, high memory capacity, and powerful clock speeds, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want dependable next-generation gaming performance. And our last choice is PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 EPIC-X. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs redefine modern gaming and creative performance with groundbreaking AI-powered technologies. DLSS 4 delivers a massive leap in visual quality and frame generation, using advanced neural rendering to boost FPS, reduce latency, and create smoother gameplay experiences. Powered by 5th-generation Tensor cores, features like multi-frame generation, ray reconstruction, and super resolution make modern AAA games look incredibly realistic while maintaining exceptional performance. For competitive gamers, NVIDIA Reflex 2 enhances responsiveness by optimizing the graphics pipeline for faster reaction times and greater aiming precision. The upcoming frame warp technology promises even lower latency for ultra-responsive gameplay. Beyond gaming, RTX AI PCs bring professional-grade AI acceleration to everyday workflows, improving productivity, development, and creative tasks. Content creators benefit enormously from NVIDIA Studio, which accelerates video editing, 3D rendering, graphic design, and AI-assisted workflows with outstanding stability and performance. Overall, the RTX 50 series combines AI innovation, elite gaming power, and advanced creative capabilities into one future-ready platform. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.